This is a 6x12 Continental cargo trailer built by Forest River. It has a Texas theme on the metal. It's got a single 3,500 pound axle. The trailer itself weighs 1,300 pounds. It has an easy lube axle. The tongue weight's 130 pounds. You want to tow it at 16 inches. That's a 32-inch side door on it. Spare tires already mounted in it. There's the invoice. And you can see it at Quality RV Sales and Service in Nacogdoches. There's 3/4 plywood on the floor, tie downs. It has 3/8 plywood on the walls. It's got a V front nose on it. Drop down rear ramp door. It's got LED lights in the ceiling, 2 of them, with a wall switch on the wall. Thanks, bye.